Uh, how big a gap do you see in what they're learning in school and what's actually going to happen when they graduate?
Right now, students are reaching out me
Mhm.
through LinkedIn. So because every day I blog about human resources, about specialist leadership. So when this student reach me out, they're always asking, "Sir, can you be a speaker for us?" And I said, "What is the topic?" "Sir, it's up to you." I know. You need to give me a specific topic for me to engage with you. What do you want to learn from the speaker? So 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 the trend right now, students are reaching out HR professional like me to talk about what is what do we got from the corporate world, okay? And what is the what they will be in the future.